Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Teacher Mar Correa, and as you can see, we are in a new video. This time, we are on a new unit as well, unit number 8, talking to the world. And this time, we're gonna analyze or we're gonna study modal verbs, have to and must. Okay, so pay attention, please. First, we're gonna start talking about what is a modal verb. Okay. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs like can, will, could, shall, must, would, might, and should. Modal verbs add meaning to the main verb in a sentence by expressing possibility, ability, permission, or obligation. Example: you must turn in your assignment on time. You have the obligation to hand your work at a certain time. Another example could be he can ride a bike. We are expressing ability to do something. Okay? Okay, so we're going to continue. Pay attention. Use of have to. Have to expresses impersonal obligation. The subject of have to is obliged or forced to act by a separate external power, for example, the law or school rules. In England, most school children have to wear a uniform. They are obliged, they are forced. The obligation is not the subject's opinion or idea. The obligations comes from outside. Structure of have to. This is how we write sentences. So pay attention. We're going to start with a subject. After the subject, we have the auxiliary verb. After the auxiliary verb, main verb, and then we have the infinitive form of the verb. I'm going to leave you this chart a couple of seconds so you can analyze it in detail. The first example could be she has to work on the positive um, side. The negative side would be I do not have to see the doctor. And the question form is, do you have to go to school? Okay, so try to understand it. Use of must. Now we're going to change to the next modal verb, which is must. Must expresses personal obligation. Must expresses what the speaker thinks is necessary. Must is subjective. Look at these examples. I must stop smoking. You must visit us soon. He must work harder. In each of the above cases, the obligation is the opinion or idea of the person speaking. In fact, it is not a real obligation. It is it is not imposed from the outside. Okay, and to finish the video, we have to talk about the structure of the must. Okay, so pay attention. We have a subject, we have a auxiliary verb, which in this case is the must, and we have the base form of the verb. Really important to understand that we're going to use the base form of the verb. Example: I must go home. You must visit us. And the last one, we must stop now. Okay, so this is it. Remember that if you have questions, you can ask them in class. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.